Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the recently announced AirPods Max. Now these are $550 over-ear headphones from Apple themselves, and we'll be talking into the things that they basically announced in this newsroom press release that they showed us today. Now let's just get right into it. So these will be available December 15th in a wide variety of colors. The colors include silver, space gray, sky blue, pink, and green. Now these will feature 40mm drivers, which should give a wonderful listening experience. Now these headphones are meant to go up against the high-end Sony and Bose headphones, obviously because of the price point. So they do also feature the same things that you would see on these, but with some Apple integration. So obviously you do have that really ease of use factor of just putting them on your head and pause and play and hey Siri and all that stuff. But you also have noise cancellation, of course, spatial audio, which is sort of like the theater audio sounding. You also have something called transparency mode, which is basically just listening to your music while being able to hear the outside world. So that is a really cool feature to see. Now the battery is apparently supposed to last up to 20 hours of audio playback time, and that is with active noise cancellation on. So you can only imagine that it would be longer with noise cancellation off. Now you also have the same features that you see on the AirPods and AirPods Pro, which is like the seamless switching from your iPad to your iPhone to your Mac, which is really cool to see. But yeah, overall the design, when I first saw the leaks, I wasn't a big fan of, but I do kind of like it more so now, especially with the color options. I think a lot of the colors here are very nice. My favorite being the green, of course, like I said before. But overall, the design grew on me, and honestly I have no complaints. Now the big thing with a lot of Apple products is the price worth what you get? Now that is obviously very subjective, but for the high price of $550, these headphones better be dang good. Because if we all know, Apple owns Beats, right? And let's be honest, Beats are probably the worst headphones you can buy on the market. Anything is better than buying Beats headphones. They're absolute trash. So when it comes to the sound quality and stuff like this, I hope these can stand up to the likes of the Sony XM4s or the Bose Quiet Comforts. So I just can't wait to see them in real life usage. And like I said before, they'll be available December 15th that you can buy straight from the Apple website for a high price of $550. Let me know what you guys think about these headphones in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.